So today I'll be going through steps to customize your Google Classroom background and also to include your Jamboard into your Google Classroom. Let's get to it. Okay, so now we are going to customize our Google Classroom by selecting our own customized image. So first we're going to upload the image to our Google Classroom. Select a photo from your computer. Now I am going to select this class theme, and that's how you will get your Google Classroom theme or your Google Classroom banner for your classroom, and you can use your own personalized Bitmoji. So I want to incorporate my Jamboard into my classroom, so I'm going to go to classwork and I'm going to create an assignment. So I'm going to call this assignment 1, and I want my students to create a cartoon character. I'm going to select the file because I want to do my Jamboard that I already created. I want my students to create their own cartoon character on this Jamboard that I have created. Now, I already saved this Jamboard to my Google Drive, so you will have it in your Google Drive. So you go back to your Google Classroom, you select your Google Drive, and you're going to select your recent activity, or you can go to my drive, and here we go. Here's my Jamboard. So we're going to insert it, and I want my students to be able to edit it because I want them to create their own cartoon character and upload it. So we're going to call this cartoon character. There we go. Character of your choice. Right? So once you have done that, your students will have access to your Jamboard. So the amount of students you have in your class, you'll see it appear here. And that's how you can incorporate your Google Jamboard into your Google Classroom so the students can have their personalized Jamboard and you can create a Jamboard. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment below to say what you want me to do next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.